360, Saturdays at noon, and Sundays at 11 with Alan Mercurio on News Radio 840.